Russell County in northeastern Illinois, northern LaSalle County in north-central Illinois, southern DeKalb County in north-central Illinois, until 1 p.m. At 12:12 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Earlville, or 10 miles west of Sheridan, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, ping pong ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Sandwich, Mendota, Sheridan, Lake Holiday, Hinckley, Somonauk, Earlville, Serena, Newark, Leland, Millington, Troy Grove, Triumph, Harding, and Prairie Center. Including the following Interstate 39 between mile marker 66 and 73. This includes Sandwich Fairgrounds. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.